This is a quick video, how to make an order to supplier in 1C Enterprise. Click Purchase, click Order to Supplier, click the Create green plus sign. Now, enter the supplier code. Now, we need to add the items we would like to order. Click on the Create green plus sign. Fill the required fields including quantity, queue and units, purchase price. Warehouse is the warehouse where we expect the specific item to be registered in our stock. Delivery date is the expected delivery date. Now proceed, adding all the items we would like to order. Now, click OK. Very good. The order is now posted. Let's say the order from supplier has arrived and the stock is physical now in our warehouse. To inform 1C Enterprise, stock, and accounting about the above, we need to do the following. Navigate to the specific list of order to supplier. Right-click with your mouse. Click on Based on, click Purchase of Goods. Now, you will notice that the order to supplier has been converted to a purchase. We now make sure all the items we order are correct, including the quantity, queue and units, purchase price, warehouse. If there are any changes, now is the time to make the changes. Now, if all is OK, click OK. The purchase is now posted. Very good. Now, the purchase has been registered. The items are now available for sale. Please note, if you would like to proceed to the payment of the specific purchase of the supplier, navigate to the purchase and right-click. Click Based on, click Payment. Now, at the pop-up window, we will view outgoing payment. We now inspect all the details including the sum. If everything is normal, click OK. Now, the purchase for the specific order has been cleared. We can also view this from the color of the purchase, which is golden and marked as posted. That's it. No further action is required. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.